BRINKMANN Pumps Express. Your benefits from fast service. We offer you delivery options that are customized to your needs. No matter if standard shipping or express delivery. Our processes are predominantly digitalized. Among other things, this allows us to quickly process your inquiries. You will be impressed by our fast response times, not only when we process your order, but also with respect to our outside sales visits. To minimize processing time, our sales department serves your urgent replacement part orders from a special inventory location. In the unlikely event that your pump does need service, we can offer you our optional express repair service. By having spare parts and a customized express production always available, we guarantee that you will be able to put your equipment back in service very quickly. Let us convince you. BRINKMANN Pumps Express.